I started my online classes several weeks ago. Along the way, I found some time saving tips that I think can help us get more tasks done. I have 4 useful tips and I will show you how to make or use each one of them. First is using the Add folder in Bookmark Bar to launch all the online tools at once. As you can see, I have these tabs opened. I access them every time I start an online class. To avoid the hassle of opening them again one by one, I will create a folder in the Bookmark Bar and simply open the folder to launch all those tabs. Let me show you how. In your Chrome browser, click the 3 dot symbol or what we call more symbol. Click Bookmarks. Then make sure that there is a check mark beside the Show Bookmark Bar option. Right-click on the space of the bookmark bar, choose the Add folder from the list. Type a folder name. I am going to write My Online Class Tools. Then I am going to drag the address from this address bar and drop it to the folder. I will do the same for the other addresses. Now I have all my tools links in one folder. To launch all of them simultaneously, right-click, then click Open. Now all of them are here. That's an awesome time saver, right? Second is using the Chrome Omnibox. An Omnibox is similar to the traditional web browser address bar, but you can also use it like a search engine. I will show you some uses of the Omnibox. It can be used as a simple unit converter. For example, I am going to write 100 ft equals in. This will convert the 100 feet to inches. Another example is 300 cm to inches. This will convert the 300 centimeters to inches. And you can also write a statement like how many liters in 1 gallon. We can use it as quick mathematical calculator. For example, 5 times 3, 100 divided by 5, 5 raised to 2. We can also use it to drag and drop words. For example, I would like to put this word to the Omnibox and I can also drag from the Omnibox and drop it to another place in the Chrome. It can also be used to quickly define terms. For example, I will type the word define and followed by the term like victory. In the result, you will see its definition. Third is pinning the tab. Sometimes we open multiple tabs in the Chrome window. To avoid accidentally closing it, we can pin the tab. In doing so, you will not be able to move it in another location in the Chrome window and you will not see the close or X symbol. Here's how. Right-click, then simply click the pin option. When you are ready to unpin, right-click, then select the unpin option. Fourth is using easy-to-remember keyboard shortcuts. In case you want to move to another tab without the use of a mouse pointer, we can do it by using simple keyboard shortcuts. Let's say I have these tabs open. To go to the third tab, I will use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+3. If I need to go to another tab, let's say tab 2, then I'll just simply use Ctrl+2. To close, Ctrl+W. I hope you got some tips that you can use in your online class. If there's anything you want to add, please let me know by writing in the comment section. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel too. Thank you.